Are you tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with truly immersive sound. Their industry-leading noise cancellation isn't just a feature, it's an escape, making commutes peaceful and focus effortless. Imagine silence on a noisy flight or laser focus in a bustling office. That's the power these amazing headphones deliver. And with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls will last longer than your busiest days. Seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop thanks to the multipoint connection, making workflow incredibly smooth. What truly sets the Sony WH-1000XM5 apart is this effortless blend of premium sound, comfort, and intelligent features. Ready to experience audio perfection? Find the best price and grab yours by clicking the Amazon link below. These are more than just headphones. They're an essential upgrade for anyone seeking tranquility and superior sound. Don't miss out on one of the top electronics for 2025. Click that link and elevate your listening experience today. For unmatched performance and peace, the Sony WH-1000XM5 truly gets my highest recommendation as an essential buy.